get there, Dom. Come on, Elliot.
Vincent.
Great ball, Elliot.
Caleb, don't go too far because he wants the pass there, all right?
Thanks, I've got 2 here.
Touch. Play.
Good.
Again.
Yeah,
Watch
watch
it
him.
wide.
Yeah, watch him.
Right, time, right. Have a look.
Watch him.
Yeah, look, too much time. Go on,
Watch
Jack.
Jack, please, Jack.
Oh, what a goal. Good.
Caleb, have a look. Caleb,
I've
3
got
touches.
4 touches.
Free kick.
He didn't take the ball from me. Should I say free kick? Yeah, Mason's take.
Listen, so if Mace is taking, then you get in front of Jed so you can't see the ball. Yeah, jump.
Already played it, no?
What?
Took his shot. He's already played it.
I did, that's where
Good.
Mace.
Unlucky, Elliot, unlucky.
What do you want to do? Get Jack.
Don't run away. Don't run away.
Take that press. Yes, Jack.
Yeah, keep going, Hunter.
Yuck.
Jack, oh, Jensen, have a look. Keep it. One more. Go. Yeah, good. Elliot, support him.
Jack.
Unlucky.
Yeah. Can't blame me.
Make sure we don't run away from each other. Give an option.
Elliot.
Now go forward.
Elliot.
Good ball. Unlucky, Jack. Right, Caleb, have a look. Touch.
Yes.
Caleb. Got to do these things quicker, mate.
Yeah.
Right, Jensen out wide, or Jack out wide. That's it, Jensen. Lost is yours then. Oh, come on. Come back.
Kev.
Get there, Dom.
Unlucky.
Yeah, good. Stay there.
Mason, across.
Go, Lottie, go,
Offside.
Lottie. Go on. Yes,
Come
Lottie,
on.
well done.
Jack,
Right, hands together. Ball, Jack. One more. Well done. Get it. Go on, Dom.
Good football. Brilliant.
Well done.
Elliot,
Lottie,
Jack,
switch on his touch. Well
Back
done.
up,
Again,
Jack.
Jack. Lottie, tighter. Well done. Shoot. Unlucky. You see what I mean? You've got to get there tighter because you went down and then he flicks it on.
Well, try not to stay on the floor.
As soon as you're going towards him,
What?
no way.
I don't care.
This is where you want to be.
Slide tackle
Hands,
is
come on.
the tackle.
Jack.
Oh. Ooh. Yeah. All right, mate. Oh! You all right, mate?
My back.
Get up. All right.
On Hunter. Jensen, on Hunter.
Man on.
Oh, you called for it. I mean,
Jensen!
Get it. Right, have a look. Free kick there. All right, Neymar.
Neymar Junior!
You should have done the roll.
Right.
I didn't even die.
Right, that's me.
Why not? I reckon you should be on diving.
Jack,
Wait
good.
a second. That used to be late.
Hunter is Luis Suarez.
No, you're not.
No, upset him right back.
Yeah, I will.
Right, don't run away, you lot. Don't run away.
Is it free?
There, look. That's where you need to be.
Good.
Get there, Dom. Come on. Dom, good strength, Dom. Right, Ellie, you got to go and help him now. Dom. Right, keep it. Good boy. Keep them feet down, Dom. Right, Elliot, come on.
Mason, you want to...
Dom, go. Right, that's it.
Let's go.
You're running away.
Come on, Mason.
away. Your ball. Caleb, their ball. And on. Jensen, well done. Go on now, Caleb, have a look at him. Dom, get away.
Nice.
Hunter, his touch. Hunter.